Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do I need a rabies shot for a squirrel bite? Bites of squirrels, hamsters, guinea pigs, gerbils, chipmunks, rats, mice, other small rodents, rabbits, and hares almost never require rabies post-exposure prophylaxis. The quarantine period is a precaution against the remote possibility that an animal may appear healthy, but actually be sick with rabies. What diseases can you get from a squirrel bite? Be careful of these diseases that can be transmitted from squirrels to humans. Leptospirosis. This is transmitted when animal urine comes into contact with open wounds, i.e. scratches, bites. Lyme disease. A squirrel doesn't have to bite you to expose you to diseases. Salmonellosis. Tularemia. Rabies. Can I take rabies vaccine after 10 days? If the bite is by a dog or cat and the animal is alive and healthy till 10 days after bite, or it is humanely killed and its brain is found to be negative for rabies in the lab, vaccination may be stopped after the third dose of day 7. Can I take rabies vaccine after 5 days? The first dose of the 5-dose course should be administered as soon as possible after exposure. This date is then considered day 0 of the post-exposure prophylaxis series. Additional doses should then be administered on days 3, 7, 14, and 28 after the first vaccination. Should I be worried about a squirrel bite? If you are bitten if attacked by a squirrel or any other wild animal, victims need to wash the wound thoroughly and keep it clean to fend off infection. At any sign of infection like inflammation, inflamed bite site, itching, perpetual pain, or pus, the injury must be taken to the hospital for analysis. Can you get tetanus from a squirrel bite? Other animals can transmit rabies and tetanus. Rodents such as mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, hamsters, guinea pigs, gerbils, and rabbits are at low risk of carrying rabies, but they can transmit other diseases. The most common type of animal bite is a dog bite. Can squirrels give you diseases? The following are 5 diseases that squirrels potentially carry. Salmonellosis. Salmonella bacteria found in droppings causes diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and fever. Lyme disease. Spread by the ticks squirrels carry. Symptoms include nerve pain, stiffness, and inflammation of the brain or spinal cord. What are signs of rabies in dogs? Physical signs of rabies in dogs to watch for include fever, difficulty swallowing, excessive drooling, staggering, seizures, and even paralysis. As the virus progresses, your dog may act as though they are overstimulated, meaning lights, movement, and sound may appear to have a negative effect. What to do if a vaccinated dog bites you? How does one treat an animal bite? Wounds should be washed and flushed immediately with soap and water for 10 to 15 minutes. Wounds should be cleaned thoroughly with 70% alcohol, ethanol or povidone iodine, if available. As soon as possible, take the person to a healthcare facility for further treatment. How many days after a dog bite should we take injection? If the bite is due to a pet dog, you might have to take 3 injections as there are high chances that the dog might be vaccinated. The first injection should be taken on the day of a dog bite, the second one after 3 days and the third after 7 days of the dog bite.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.